How to make and create story ad on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to create a professional story ad is go to canva.com, log into your account. Now this is the home page. Go to the top right here, click on create a design and search for story. Click on story ad option. Now on this page you will find many templates. Choose one of them. For example, this one, it looks so professional. You can add your product here or anything and change the text like this. You can change also the colors from here, and after you finish, go to the top here and click share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.